Welcome back. Roland Phillips continued to reign supreme on the local tennis scene as he added another title to his trophy cabinet following a straight sets win over Nicholas Gore in the final of the Amazing Group of Competence Tennis Championship, which ended at the Ligoni Club on Saturday.
With Randy Phillips concentrating on playing the local tournament, it means that other players will have a hard time getting their hands on the silverwares. That's because Phillips has made it a knack of winning them all. His latest triumph came when he lifted the men's open title of the inaugural Ace Amazing tournament. Facing his close friend Nicholas Gore, Phillips raced through the first set in 23 minutes for a 6-1 win. But the second set proved a little more taxing as Phillips was made to work for the title. Phillips was matched for shots for the first 8 games as the two held serve. But with Phillips holding serve in the 9th for a 5-4 lead, Gore was now under pressure and Phillips capitalized for a 6-4 win in a set that lasted 56 minutes.
Got into the match a little bit. He, started making the points last a little longer. He was serving a little bit better, and I had a few more mistakes on the first set. First set I was feeling really good, moving well. It's just tough to keep up that level the whole time, and he also did a good job getting back into the match.
Any errors in the first set, I tried to minimize it more in the second set, use more of my legs and step back a little bit because Randy loves to stay on the baseline. You're not going to beat him at that type of game, so I basically realized I had to step back and make more balls and prolong the points, which I did better in the second set. But down in the tight moments,
The tournament also had an international flavor as 2 Colombians were among the participants, with Miguel Madrid reaching the semifinals of the Men's Open.
Super good, so good tournament, good organization, the course so good. Of course, I will want to win this tournament, but the other player was playing good, so it was a good tournament for me.
I heard there's some more tournaments coming up, and we love the experience, so we'll try to come back for sure. Yeah.
All right, man, all the best.
Thank you.
And the tournament director Lockett McGregor described the tournament, which was the first, as an amazing one.
It was a very exciting tournament, very competitive. This year we had some very good matches. We were fortunate enough to have some players visiting from Colombia that took part, and we had a very close semi-finals match with one of the Colombians against Nicholas Gore, actually finishing 3 close sets. So, apart from that, all the other matches were very competitive, and as you know, there's a shortage of tournaments. So once there's a tournament, all the players came out for it from Montego Bay, Ochire, Osmandeville. So we're very happy with that.
Seth Grinnell took the men's Class 2 title, beating Kyle Millwood 6-4, 6-4. Bradley De La Pena stopped Kenrick Picknight 6-7, 6-4, 11-9 in the men's Class 3 event, while Camila Whitby got Chatty James 6-2, 6-1 in the ladies' amateur final. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.